going to look at is CBIS. Looks like that, again, one's going to be requested, and that is completely fine. Uh, what's pretty odd about this one, and I really want to point out, is if you guys see back here, back in October when this first started, it dropped off. This volume dropped off, then it picked up. Now, normally when you see these stocks move, coming down from the penny area, you'll see a big move in volume and then just dwindle down. But that's not the case with CBIS. CBIS is completely different, in my personal opinion, because you went sideways for so long, but that volume came back with a vengeance. And it wasn't selling volume, it's buying pressure that's continuing to lift this stock up. Zooming into what we see right now, I looks like the last time we went over this one on the 6th, I said hold for a day or two, might day or two pulling down to 10-day simple moving average. If buying picks up, it will move from there. Otherwise, 20-day simple moving average. Well, guess what? This is what changed is that, again, you guys have to watch the volume. The buying pressure is starting to return again. And that goes ahead and brings you to the next leg up. You're going to need to get through the next resistance level, and you're sitting on it right now. Literally, you watch me draw that line here a minute ago, and look at where it's at right now. It's right there on that line. Let's see if it breaks the 1277 area, and it looks like it's trying to. I mean, I was not expecting it to make that move to where it did right there. Honestly, I did not see that coming. But all the other times that we've covered this, it's been pretty dead on. If you do break 1277, 1423 is going to come quick, but still you got to be cautious to watch for pullbacks. Okay, you're going to have to watch for the pullback. Those might come up a little bit later. I'm going to draw this line up here. That might come back down to the 1067 once it gets up there. It might not pull down that area, but I'm going to put that in there to be safe. So I'm going to start typing this up, and then I'll explain it to you one more time. Video's done.
All right, so there was a press release on February 7th, and it was Crown Bus Team negotiates investment opportunity with Cannabis Science, CBIS, for stake in California property development projects and the Nevada cannabinoid drug production facilities in Douglas County, Nevada. So on February 7th, Crown Bus Capital Corp, with the ticker symbol CBCA. You get that, David? CBCA. So we could check that out. Is a global acquisition-based conglomerate looking to aggressively capitalize on its key industry strengths. Mr. Raymond C. Dabney, Crown Bouse President and CEO, is pleased to provide updates in its drug development industry. Updates in its other key industries will be provided soon. The company is actively pursuing business opportunities in each of its key industries: high-tech incubation, drug development, entertainment and media, education, and financial services. It states, initially, Mr. Dabney and the team of Crown Bouse, I'm believing that's how I pronounce it, are structuring an investment management opportunity with Cannabis Science for participation in its Douglas County, Nevada property and drug development project. Cannabis Science has substantial property development contracts in California and Nevada to build fully licensed, state-compliant medicinal and industrial cannabis hemp production. The company is splitting the investment opportunities into 1-acre parcels for each land development project. Objectives are to build a portfolio of investors, partners, and supply chain production operations through the United States that are at various stages of legislative development and leverage our core competencies and strengths. Each project is centered around cultivation and cannabinoid-based drug development programs targeting critical ailments. Each large-scale property and drug development project is designed to generate hundreds of jobs in the construction, farming, medical, retail, and educational industries. So that's pretty much that. I mean, you could go read more into it within this press release. I'll share it over on the stream. I'd probably want to go and check out what that is, what that particular company is. But they're basically stating that they want to start doing some kind of have a relationship with CBIS. And I don't see anything from CBIS, like for recent news with them. I'll check on the filings real quick as well to see if there's anything in regards to what that particular company did. or stated in their press release. No, nothing's there either. All right, so I mean, as always, feel free to, if you're interested in researching and learning more about the company, check out Investors Hangout. We have the company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, buy rating, and as always, if you have some information or opinions regarding the company, definitely check out the message board where tens of thousands of daily users are there, looking for potential investments like yourself.
All right, thank you, Joe.
Mhm.
Real quick, so I can read this straight up on how I see this. 1277, watch for buying to push you past 1277. Next resistance level will be 2014 from 2014 at 1423, 1771. If buying slows, could pull down to 1102. 1030 after that. So that's going to be the 20 and 10-day simple moving average estimated as they move along. So those aren't exact prices right now. Those are as they move. So that's how I get the prices of where it might go down to in coming days or whatnot. But like I said, keep an eye on this one, guys. It's getting really, really hard. I was not expecting to see this pop up here. It made its way past that level. There was a gap here. It just said the hell with the gap and just kept going. It did pop down and fill it right there that day. It did pull down. But I thought for sure you would go down to the 10-day simple moving average, but this is a good sign. It made you guys through that resistance level that I was talking about in the last video. And I told you this resistance level, if it can't make it through there, it's going to pull down that 10-day and see if that holds. But right now, you guys are at 1279. Keep that momentum up. It's very possible this thing is going to pop. I'm going to add that thing in here. Going to pop from here? Question mark. Very possible. Keep me updated, guys. As always, give it a few days or so. Let's see how this plays out, and leave some feedback below the video, and let us know. Let us know what you think when you're ready for another one. Again, if you would like to request any other stock tickers, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Be sure to subscribe for more updates.